Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Generation 3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forget the PIN code to your tablet. The first thing that you can and should do is to take your time and try to remember the password, the PIN code that you entered the last time. If you can't do that, then reach out to Lenovo customer support service and tell them about your problem, and if you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, they will surely help you out without the need of removing any files from your device. But if this doesn't sound like an option to you, then you can perform a factory reset operation that will remove all data from your tablet, but will also let you regain access to your device. And you can do this locally or remotely. If you want to perform this operation locally, you can do this using recovery mode. If you don't know how to use or enter recovery mode, you can check the video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation using recovery mode on this tablet step by step. And if you want to perform factory reset locally, remotely, then you have to find a hub website and enter the login with the Google account that is connected to this tablet, and then just select the tablet on the device list and choose to factory reset it. And after that, you will be able to use your device once again. And that's it for this video. If you like it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.